Hey again, everybody, and my name is Ryan, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to code for websites with HTML. We've got our simple text document modifier, which is for me. I'm using a Windows machine, so I'm using Notepad, and then just you need just an internet browser, and I have Google Chrome rocking down here at the bottom. Um, this is a file path. And I know usually whenever you visit a website, it's always like http colon backslash backslash www.facebook.com. It's not, you don't see this file directory here, but this is just where I excuse me. This is just where I have the file saved um, in my folder. So without further ado, let's start coding. All right, the first thing in basic HTTP web design is you want to try to mirror all of your codes when you start off. There's a few important codes that you need to start off with, and I'm going to show you those right now. So we have head, title. Oh, I'm sorry, we got to back that up. We got to start off with HTTP, and then we're going to go down a few lines, and we're going to do open. You have to do open, and then HTTP, and then close. And then so we're going to do open backslash HTTP, and then close. And what that does is basically it tells it that whatever browser is reading this, it tells it that it's supposed to be um, a website. So now that we have that done, I'm going to save this. Keep saving. Always keep saving. Because this down here, this will update whenever you save as long as you refresh this. I'm not going to refresh this right now because nothing's going to change. I will show you when something will change. So we're going to do head, title, and we're going to title it web design tutorial. And we're going to add head. I ended head on the same line because otherwise there would be a space at the end of it, and I don't want a space at the end of it. It's a design, it's a coding thing. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to save this, and now I'm going to refresh this. Oh, that did not work. I'm going to save this and refresh this. Really? Oh, I didn't end. I didn't end title. Duh. All right, now we're going to save this, and we're going to refresh this. See? Excuse me. Now you see that that pesky little end title end head thing is gone now, which is what we want. Okay, we're gonna open a body, not a body, a body, and we're gonna close the body down here. The body is the last thing that you want to close. The second last thing you want to close. So it's you open HTTP, you open the head, you open a title, you close the title, you close the head, and then you open a body. And the body is going to be everything that you see down in this area on your web page. So there's a couple codes that you can use right off the bat to modify the body. So I'm going to do one of those right now. And I'm a little rusty, so let's hope that this works. Haha! So see what I did there? I did body BG color equals red. Okay? And now I'm going to do text equals white. I want a nice big title for this website, so I'm going to do H1, and that stands for heading 1. So that's the biggest header size. So we're going to call this web design tutorial, and then we're going to end H1. No, that's not what I wanted. Okay, so you might notice how I've ended a couple on separate lines and on the same line. This, we talked about that. This, again, this might have an additional space if I just leave it like that. And if I just put an enter next to that, because that's how enters register on a web page, is they enter just as spaces, and that's not what I want. So now I'm going to refresh this. Web design tutorial. I think I want that centered, actually. So I'm going to go above, and I'm going to type center, and then I'm going to go below, and then I'm going to type end center, and then I'm just going to write, this is my body text. A little bit of enthusiasm there. This is my body text. Oh, stop. No, cancel that. Save. And now we refresh. Okay, so you see this got centered, and then this is moved to the left. And it's also regular internet text size, which is good because it's kind of a universal sort of thing. So what next? What I'm going to show you next is how to put a link in your HTML. So we're going to do open a space href equals. We're going to put a link to Google in there. And then, so I open that up, and then I close that back up. I'm not sure if there's parentheses. I'm not sure if there's quotation marks around that yet. We'll figure that out if it doesn't work. And then, so this is where it's going to send you. This is where it's going to send you if once you click on whatever I put after that. So this is going to say Google, and then we're going to do end A. Because this is the open, this is the general command, and then this href right here, that's called the specific command. So I just want to make sure that this works, and because I didn't move that onto a new line, I'm going to do open P. So what I just did there is I put a new paragraph line onto that, and with paragraphs you don't need to close any paragraphs. You can just always have them, because you don't end a paragraph. Well, I mean you do, but just go with it. So we're gonna refresh this, and Google is right there. See, if I didn't do this, we're gonna save this, we're gonna refresh this, Google would be right there. So I want that paragraph thing right still there. Save it again. Typically you want to put this kind of stuff on different lines, so we're going to save it again, and we're going to refresh it. So now we're going to click, I'm just going to open this in a new tab, so I'm going to right click, well, I'll just show you firstly. So, hang on. Boom! Look at that. So see what just happened there? I clicked the link and it sent me to Google. You have to do the HTTP and then take it out of quotations for it to work. And say I wanted to start something on the right side, so we're going to try this, and then save, refresh. That did not work. Save, refresh. No. I don't remember how to do this. It's been a while since I've coded. Alright, so we're gonna do p align equals right. We're gonna end that, and then again we're gonna end p. So we're gonna save this, and then we're gonna refresh this. See, now we have Google, and then I want text here, all the way on the other side. And that is how you change the alignment. You can also do center. No, that's not what I wanted. Okay, see, now it's centered. And then after you end P, I'm just going to add some filler text to show you that where the text goes after you've ended any alignment changes. The text will return back to this area of alignment. Save, refresh. It always goes back to the general alignment, so that would be to the left. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put a picture in. So we're going to type img src equals, and I'm just going to leave this open for now because I don't know what the image is that I'm putting in there yet. I have to figure that one out. So I'm going to go to pictures, I'm going to go to camera roll. I'm not going to go to camera roll, I'm going to go to, no. Snake! So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go back to the folder for this, which of course disappeared on me. Hang on. Status briefing. Okay, so you have to put it in the same in the same folder as your HTML document, your HTML source document. So now that that's in there, we're going to do image source snake. We're going to save this, but first we're going to do another P, because I don't want this on the second on the first line, but we are going to center. So we're going to do P align center. And then lower than that, we're going to do end P. And now we're going to refresh. Oh, I'm sorry. We're going to save, and then we're going to refresh. And the link is broken, so that was why that didn't work. Apparently I coded the link wrong. Hang on. Yeah, so you also need the file extension for that. So that's that's going to be a dot. Excuse me again. That's going to be a .png file. So we're going to do snake.png. We're going to file. We're going to save that. We're going to refresh this. And there we have my good old friend Snake. He looks kind of creepy, kind of like I do sometimes, but that's not important. Alright, and now that I'm happy with Snake and where he's positioned, I'm going to keep coding. So I'm going to move my little recorder down to the bottom here because I don't need to see that right now. Actually, this is, I think this is about all I'm going to teach you guys for today. So thanks for watching. My name is Ryan. Check out my YouTube channel. Have a good day. Thank you.